So here we are with question number 99, very similar to question number 97, except now we're dealing with exponents that are not only fractions but also are negative. Still the same steps. Find the greatest common factor, which is going to be x plus 5 in parentheses, and then we're going to choose the smallest exponent. And negative 3 over 2 is smaller than negative 1/2 if you think about it on a number line. So our greatest common factor is x plus 5 all to the power of negative 3 over 2. In our next step, we're going to take that greatest common factor out of the expression, and then we're going to multiply it by two terms in the expression to give us the original. So I'm going to skip this first one for a second because the last one is quite easy. It's going to be negative 1. If we go x plus 5 to the power of negative 3 over 2 times negative 1, we do get this part of the equation. So negative 1 is right there. Oh, there we go. And now I have to figure out what do I multiply here in order to get this term. So that's a little bit harder than that one there. It's still going to be x plus 5, but what will my exponent be? Remember, I have to take the exponent negative 3 over 2, add it to another exponent to get it to be negative 1/2, which was the original right here. So my denominator stays the same. Negative 3 plus what would give me negative 1? Well, what will work is positive 2, because negative 3 plus 2 equals negative 1 all over 2. So my exponent here should be negative, not negative 1/2. That's what I needed to have. It's this 2 over 2. Now I can go ahead and simplify. That 2 over 2 is the same as 1, and so I get x plus 5 to the power of 1. So I can, like that, minus 1. I would bring down this. And then I can just take out the parentheses because x plus 5 to the power of 1 is the same as x plus 5 minus 1. Keep bringing this down. X plus 5 minus 1, I can put those together and I will get x plus 4. And then now I'll bring that other expression down. And then, because x plus 5 is to the power of negative 3 over 2, I can simplify this to say x plus 4 all over x plus 5 to the power of positive 3 over 2. And that's the simplified answer to number 99.